Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use ChatGPT for resume writing. Using ChatGPT for resume writing is a three-stage process: gathering your raw data using specific prompt to translate your experiences into professional bullet point, and tailoring the final result to a specific job description. Now, before opening ChatGPT, you want to gather your raw material to ensure the AI has accurate information to work with. Now, AI is most effective when it has context. Generic prompt yield generic results as well. So you need to have your current resume or a rough list of previous role, responsibilities, and data and dates ready. You want to find a specific job posting you are interested in. Copy the text of your responsibilities and requirements section. Note any measurable results such as increase sale by 20% or manage a team of 5. ChatGPT can help you phrase this, but you must provide the numbers as well. And basically you could go and use a specific prompt to get high quality output as well, and that's how you could go ahead and use ChatGPT to for resume writing as well. So with that, I hope the video with that we've come to an end. Thank you for watching and see you in a next video.